It's September 21st. I'm in the Mount Evans Wilderness, about to embark on the Abyss Trail, going to do some fall leaf peeping. Okay. I've just reached the 1 mile mark. There's some aspens. They're still pretty green though. I've heard that the yellow, the red, the orange really starts around the 3 mile mark. So, got 2 more miles to go. I just passed the 2 mile mark and there's more aspen trees and they're starting to get yellower, but we're definitely not there yet. Still very, very green. Well, I would say everybody was right. This is right at the 3 mile mark, and the leaves just changed drastically. There's a ton on the floor or on the ground. The leaves are really yellow, even a little bit orange. It's really different. Now that I've hit the 3 mile mark. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely wild. I am right below the 4 mile mark, literally at 3.9. I'm gonna turn around here. It appears that this grove that I'm in stops, and so this is a good stopping point for me. Still got about 2.5 miles to the lake, and so I just don't think I'm gonna make it tonight. Sun's starting to set, and I'm really excited to start hiking down because I think that the way the sun's gonna be hitting those yellow and orange and red leaves on those aspen trees, it's just gonna be absolutely beautiful. This hike, miles 3 through 4, absolutely incredible. Every fall leaf peeper's dream. This has just been incredible. And the mountainside around, oh, it's beautiful. I wish I could just spend all day, all week strolling through here and exploring. All right. Here's literally where the trees start and stop. You can see it on the ground. Leaves, no leaves. Leaves, no leaves. Last tree. And that's where the foliage stops. Literally right at the 3 mile mark. And then you enter into the pines. Made it back to the trailhead. Let's see how long it took me. 3 hours to do an 8 miles out and back. Not too shabby.